Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun and colorful smooshy nail design. So I'm going to start off by using a regular sandwich bag. I use it all the time. It's really, once I'm done with it, I just throw it away and I don't need it no more. But I like to use it a lot. Now I'm going to apply some white polish, and that's because I want the base of the color to be white. And also it helps to create that smooshy nail design. And I'm just going to apply some different colors. You can add any colors you want. I'm into neons right now, so I'm a little obsessed with it. And I want to add black just to break up the monotony of all the colors. Now, as you can see, I'm going to do a different smooshy technique. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking and I'm going to just take the bag and fold it in half and just blend the colors together. And as you can see, the colors come out so pretty. It's really a rich, pretty color. Then using a clear jelly stamp, I'm just going to pick up the design and I'm just going to place it right on my nails. I'm not going to take it off and then place more colors. I want to be able to see the pretty design that I created with the bag. And once I've done with that, I just remove the liquid latex, clean it around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I really hope I showed you something different than a regular smooshy nail design. I hope I showed you a fun and different technique. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.